Hey guys, what's up? It is Kat. I know what you're thinking. I've been introducing myself as Taylor, but my channel name is Kat's Hair. So my first name is Catherine, and I felt like it was kind of weird to be introducing myself as Taylor when my channel name is Kat. So from now on, that's how I'm going to introduce myself. That is the name I like to use for all my social media platforms. I just think it's cute and catchy, and technically it is my real name. So let's go ahead and talk about what we're going to talk about in today's video. So I'm sure you've all seen those perfect Instagram pictures, right? The hair photos where the hair just looks so thick and so flawless. Sometimes people really do have really perfect, nice hair. Sometimes it's actually just partially an illusion. So with hair, there are certain things you can do to make it appear thicker in photos. And that's what we're going to be talking about today. I'm also going to be showing you examples of everything that I suggest. So before I do jump into it, I do want to say that you should definitely try to learn to love your own texture. I think every hair type is beautiful. I love hair. So these are just some ways that I've found to take my best pictures, whether it's angles or lighting or just some other things that I'm going to talk about, and we'll get into it all. There's nothing wrong with taking your best photos to make your hair look its best. So with all of that being said, let's go ahead and jump in. So my very first tip is my number one tip. It's something that a few people had mentioned to me when I was kind of disappointed by the way that my ends were looking in pictures. Wear darker clothing. I promise you, if you, especially like white versus black, your hair is going to look so much thicker in the black photos. Darker colors just tend to make your hair look more filled in, whereas with like white, you can see like the very ends of your hair and you can see every little separation. So yeah, darker clothing for sure makes hair look so much thicker. My second tip is to brush your hair right before you take the photo. For some people, this can cause frizz and they don't like to brush their hair. This, for me, I love the way my hair looks brushed. So absolutely, I will always brush my hair before taking photos if that's the look that I'm going for, because it fills in your hair. It just gives it so much more body. Your hair starts to get kind of piecey as you go about your day, and brushing it just all kind of brings it back together. My third tip is an angle tip, and that is to turn slightly to the side when you're taking your picture. And then you take all of your hair and you push it sort of like to that side of your back, and it just makes your hair look like it's so much thicker because all of your hair is actually over there when it really seems like that's only half of your hair and that the other half is just on the other side, but really it's all of your hair. Because all of your hair is actually over there. My fourth tip is along those same lines, but this is if you're taking a picture from the back view. So you want to sort of direct your hair into the middle of the back rather than letting it fan out, because when it fans out, again, it's going to look piecey on the ends because the strands are going to separate and you're going to be able to see through your hair, which takes away that fullness effect. So yeah, put all your hair to the middle of your back and it'll look a lot more full. So those are all the tips I have for you today. They are all things that I personally use, and you can go and see exactly the type of pictures that I take on my Instagram if you want to check that out. But again, thank you so much for watching, and if you liked this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you're notified when I post a new video. I appreciate every comment and every like and every subscription. They help me out so much. I'm so excited that my channel has been growing well lately, and your support means everything. So thank you so much, and I will see you for my next video. Bye guys.